Hi, Maggie McCauley of Wholehearted Parenting here. Someone said something the other day about boundaries that really intrigued me. This was said by an expert in boundary setting. And what she said was that boundaries actually define who we are. So knowing we are more than our boundaries, that really got me thinking about the importance and the significance in being adept at boundary setting and finding out what gets in the way of us setting clear, compassionate boundaries. Because really, the way that we set boundaries, the boundaries that we set, do define and kind of carve out our silhouette, so to speak, in the way that we relate to others and others relate to us. It has to do with our relationship with ourselves because we have boundaries within ourselves, with ourselves, and just the complete significance of boundary setting. And I've posted before, but research has shown that even more than 72% of American adults have difficulty setting boundaries. So, knowing how significant it is, knowing the discomfort that many of us have when setting boundaries, don't you think it's important to understand boundaries, understand how to set clear, effective boundaries, and understand what gets in the way of us doing that? If that intrigues you, I invite you to join me on April 22nd and 29th for the Boundaries Blueprint. Find out more at wholeheartedparenting.com. Simply click on shop. I hope you'll join me. This is really important, and teens are welcome to attend. I think learning in childhood and it's key in when our children become teens and beyond. Learning about boundaries, learning what gets in the way, learning why we feel awkward, learning how to move beyond that awkwardness into confidence in setting boundaries is so important for that age group. We want our teens to be able to set clear emotional boundaries, physical boundaries, and so on. So please join me. Visit wholeheartedparenting.com, click on shop, and learn more about it. Thank you so much.